Hi, my name is Chad Williams. I'm a PT here at Lake Washington PT in Kenmore. And today I'm hanging out with Mary and we're working on a couple of postural repositioning exercises here. And the current exercise we're doing is called the 90-90 hip lift. And we're lifting our feet up at about 90 degrees of hip flexion, knee flexion, a little ball in between the knees to be able to help hold that in the position. And we're going to bring this right arm up towards the ceiling. What we're going to be able to do here, Mary, I want you to be able to dig both those heels. We're going to pull on those hamstrings, kind of tuck that hip underneath, kind of help to flatten that back in the table. We're going to do this exercise in sets of 4 breaths. And the first thing I want you to be able to do is I want you to go ahead and take that first breath of air in through the nose for me. And as you exhale, I want you to blow all that air out through the mouth. Use a little more force than you did on that inhale, but give me a little reach towards that ceiling as you're going ahead and doing this. Feeling those ribs drop, that back flatten. We're going to take another breath of air in for me here. And as you exhale, I want you to go ahead and reach towards the ceiling here for me. Feel that back rounding a little bit as we perform this. You should be feeling you're getting dizzy, lightheaded, hyperventilating. Take that next breath of air in. Smelling roses on the way in. Blowing into a balloon on the way out. Giving a little reach towards the ceiling. And if you're okay, be poking me on those ribs here. Let's go ahead and take that breath of air in one more time here. And as we exhale, we're going to reach. Feel those ribs drop down. That back lightly flatten before we go ahead and take a little break on this exercise. So, thanks. Great job.